Blessing viewers, blessing subscribers. This is NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production with another breaking news. Well, people, right about now, NEWLINK here with a sad news because popular dancehall artists who everybody know as Buck One, yeah man, Buck One people who you see a par with Charlie Blacks, who you see do even song with Charlie Blacks, who you see in most of Charlie Blacks recent videos, them yeah man with the Jamaica Culture Brownie made same way and everything. Yeah people, well Buck One was shot and killed this morning people in St. Ann, Ocho. You understand? Yeah man, and yo, it is really a shock right now across Ocho people because just a couple of weeks ago, remember another artist was cut down in Ocho also, and now Buck One people. And this youth was a popular artist who come on the music scene from Magnum King and Queens because he was a finalist in Magnum King and Queens. You understand? A couple of years ago, and now people, his life was taken away. And them say another person was also shot and killed alongside Buck One. That person who is unidentified at the moment, people. You understand? He died on the spot, but Buck One, he died while on his way to hospital in a motor car. So, yo, it is terrible, people. Right now, it's terrible, and you know what I mean? It's just shockwave across the island right now. And for the Ocho residents, because everybody know Buck One is a youth who always go up on the show them, every local show they him always try to fit in himself and come work the local stage show them and everything. You know what I mean? Just to show him love and support towards the music. But John know people, you know, it's just life, you know, the life. Young people been losing their life so much. It's just like, yo, wow, it's terrible. And it's a shockwave right now across Ocho St. Ann. And you know what I mean? Just to see how this youth, because just the other day in a NEWLINK that prayer and I see the youth drop a video and I say, yo man, the youth are going that thing right in the Ocho town, they do this video to people and you can say he was in a vibes and I say, wow, like Buck One come on really serious with the music now people. We see him there on Charlie Blacks and we see Charlie Blacks been pushing him for so long. You understand? Charlie Blacks push this youth so much. Charlie Blacks try to put him up there, you know what I mean? But in the end people, boy, while you fight away to stardom, there's somebody there. But what they are saying now, people, he was mistakenly killed. He was mistaken identity. That's why he was cut down. So the person who they want, you understand, they mistakenly take Buck One for that person, and so Buck One become a victim because what they are saying, he was not one of the person who the people was looking for. You understand? But it's just mistake why he cut down. But John was star, you know. So from NEWLINK Production, the whole team, and we just want to send out our deepest condolences to the family and friends of entertainer Buck One, you know what I mean? May his soul rest in peace, and may his music and his little legacy that he creates lives on, you know what I mean? Hope the Ocho artists them will carry the flag high, and you know what I mean? We know they have a next artist who cut down with a producer the other day, and now Buck One, John was people. It's a tough way, but you don't know my viewers and my subscribers. This is NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production, and I me say attack, enough love, enough respect. Remember, subscribe, like, hit that notification bell icon so when NEWLINK drop a video, you will get them. Enough love, people. Peace. I'm out.